Hi guys, this is Con. Hope everyone is having a great day. In this video, I am going to unbox and review the ASUS FX 1TB external hard drive. And at the end of this video, I will give you my thoughts on whether or not this is worth it. So without further ado, let's get on with it. So in the box, you'll get the USB 3.1 connector, the hard drive itself, and the manual. According to the manual, it's compatible with the Aura Sync software, where it lets you configure its RGB settings. However, upon my testing, the Aura Sync does not recognize the external drive, so I'm left with just default settings. The enclosure is made out of plastic materials with a gamer's aesthetics with an RGB light. Now at the back, it has 4 rubber pads to keep it from slipping or falling off the surface. So, the final verdict. Here are my thoughts on this RGB drive. For the pros, it has a good build quality, nice gaming aesthetics which most gamers like in their setup. Of course, it has RGB and it uses 3.1 USB connection. For the cons, it is very expensive. It costs around 3,950 pesos for just an external drive. Actually, you can get an ordinary 1TB external drive with the same spec and speed for a third of its price. Also, upon testing, the Aura Sync does not work with the drive, although it can be updated with future drivers, but currently it does not work. Now, would I recommend it? If you are a gamer, definitely yes. However, if you are on a budget or does not like RGB in their setup, then you are better off buying a normal external drive. So, that is it guys. I hope that this was an informative video. If you want to see more content, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and for the bell for upcoming videos. Again, this is Conrad. Have a great day.